Okay, so here's the watch list for options that I'm using for March 4th, 2021. SPY, looking for continued weakness down into the 378 range. If it breaks there, you know, we're going to be testing something low. GME, this is going to be interesting. So we really went above 130. 130, we might see 200. Below 111, we're going to test downward. BA, Boeing. We're looking for puts here. We get below 224, and we can travel some ways. LVS, actually, we're looking for it to break the high and continue going up. We're looking for calls in LVS. That is my play. FAZ, I'm looking for calls. I really want this to get above 38. Probably need some time, but I think I'm going to aim for a 45 strike, probably 2 weeks out or something. And then VIX. Be careful, because I think VIX is going to go up. So if we get above 28, I'm looking for calls up to the 32 range. If we get to 32, trust me, the SPY puts are going to look great. That's it. Trade, have fun. Good luck.